Okay, this is a oil pump that came out of a 930 turbo, and as you can see it has been rusted, and for whatever reason I really don't know, but all the teeth are really quite rusted, or the gears, and it's not very smooth in places at all to turn over, so we'll have to replace this with a new oil pump. Now, the other thing you can see too is inside the housing there is quite a distinctive discoloration in the bottom section down here as opposed to the top, and that's worn, and that's part of where the actual wear has come from. And when I was dismantling it, I discovered this stud was quite well covered in aluminium or aluminium filings residue, and you can see here this is the cleaning fluid, and that is absolutely full, and all that residue has come off the stud holding the pump together. So it's really hasn't had a very nice life, and we're going to have to replace the pump in the process of rebuilding the engine.